Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip images in Lightroom. To flip images in Lightroom, first of all, open up your Lightroom application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now go ahead and select an image you'd like to edit. After choosing the image, this will be shown on the preview screen. Go to the bottom menu and tap on the little crop button and then click on Flip Horizontal or Flip Edge button on the bottom right. This will flip your image horizontally. To flip the image vertically, tap on the Flip V button. You can then see that the image is now flipped horizontally or vertically. If you are happy with the flip, click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and there you go. Now you have learned how to flip images in Lightroom the right way. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.